Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about another example for writing redox reactions in basic solutions. Alright, in this example we have Al solid plus MnO4 minus aqueous yields MnO2 solid plus AlOH4 minus aqueous. Alright, now we need to do step 1, assign oxidation. This is 0. This is 1 minus, so negative 2 times 4, which makes negative 8. And in order to make 1 minus, this has to be positive 7. And this one will be neutral, so negative 2 times 4, negative 8. So this will be plus 8, so it's neutral. And AlOH4, each OH has a 1 minus charge. So this is a total of 4 minuses. In order to make this 4 minus, and in order to make a negative 1 charge out of it, we're going to need a 3 plus charge on this aluminum. And now we can see aluminum lost 3 electrons, lose 3 electrons to make it more positive. And manganese, alright, sorry, I did a little, I messed a little bit. So this is negative 2 times 2, maybe if you were confused while watching it. So negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, so this is positive 4, which is why it wasn't making sense in mind, because you can't have both of them losing electrons, right? So this makes sense now, because this went from a 7 plus to a 4 plus. And again, this is 2 oxygen, so it's going to be negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4, and to neutralize it, it's going to be plus 4. So now to get to plus 4, that means it gained 3 electrons. Alright, so let's write them down. Aluminum lost 3 electrons, so Al became AlOH 4 minuses plus how many electrons? 3 electrons. And our MnO4 minus added 3 electrons to become MnO2. Right now, is everything balanced? So everything here is balanced and our electrons are still the same. So we just finished step 1 through 3. Now we need to write them. Actually, I can use the space. Now we need to add OHs and oxygens onto both sides. Alright, so the first thing that we can do here is take this out. Actually, no, we can keep this and think of this as 4 oxygens and 4 hydrogens. That means we have 4 extra oxygens and we need to add 4 H2O on the left side, right? To neutralize these 4 oxygens. Now, after these 4 oxygens are balanced, we need to deal with 4 H's along with the additional H pluses. But this already has 4 H pluses. So over here, we're going to need only 4 H pluses. And finally, to get rid of this OH plus, we're going to add 4 OH minuses. And this got to add 4 OH minuses as well. And this becomes 4 H2O. And this first part's done. Second part, this side has 2 more oxygens, so we're gonna add 2 H2O. And to neutralize that, we're gonna add 4 H plus. And to cancel that out, we're gonna add 4 OH minuses on this side and plus 4 OH minuses on this side, which makes this 4 H2Os as well. Alright, so what does this make? We're going to write everything out in a better way. See, I just cramped a bunch of space over there. 4 OH minuses plus Al plus 4 H2Os plus MnO4 minus plus 3 electrons yields our AlOH4 minus plus 3 electrons plus 4 H2O plus MnO2 plus 2 H2O plus 4 OH minus. Okay, so OH minus cancels out with OH minus. 4 H2O cancels out with 4 H2O. 3 electrons cancels out with 3 electrons. So that leaves us with Al solid plus MnO4 minus aqueous yields AlOH4 minus aqueous plus MnO2 plus 2H2O liquids. Oops, I forgot to write aqueous for MnO2. Okay, so I did make a tiny mistake, and that is forgetting about this H2Os. So again, when you're showing your work, make sure to grab a large piece of paper and do not save space like what I did here by accident. So I only counted this 4OH and then straight to this Al, and completely ignored about this 4H2Os. As you can see on the left side, there's 4H2O plus another 4H2O, which makes 8 H2Os instead of 4. This would be 8 H2O. Everything else stayed the same, because all I did was forget counting about 1 H2O. Now this makes a different story, because these two form together to become 6 H2O, and now we have 6 H2O vs 8 H2O. So this 6 H2O will be completely gone, and this 8 H2O will become a 2 H2O. So over here with this 2 H2O liquid, this will end up moving its way to the left side as well. 2 H2O liquid, because this H2O is on the left side of the equation, and yeah, both of these H2Os are from the left side of the equation. So yeah, I did make a tiny mistake, and that is by forgetting to count one of the H2Os. So when you're doing this, please do not forget to count anything, and make sure you double check your work. Thank you for watching.